Introducing the HiBREW H4C Portable Coffee Machine. Today, we're preparing a smooth espresso using a portable coffee machine you can use anywhere, even outdoors. First, take an espresso coffee capsule and place it gently into the adapter. Once it's in position, insert the adapter into the machine securely. Next, fill the water tank with fresh, clean water. Turn the machine on. You can choose between two brewing modes, cold brew or hot brew, depending on your preference. Now press the button and start the extraction. Take a moment and watch as your espresso is brewed perfectly.